Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. And tomorrow is day 4, so let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And in every Sunday I planned a weekly revision, and this revision should be like revise attempted prelims mock test and also practiced PDFs and quizzes. So tomorrow revise all that once, and as usual early in morning learn basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some vocabulary words, etc. So on daily basis learn basics of each subject, and after that revise your attempted prelims mock test in this week and note down your weak areas where you are lacking and make timetable according to your weak areas for the next day preparation. So tomorrow revise your attempted all prelims exams in this week, and after that revise daily vocabulary words noted down from editorial videos. And daily in morning we are watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel. So revise all that vocabulary words and also some rules from editorial videos. And after that for quant and reasoning section from 3 days we are practicing simplifications and inequalities, and tomorrow also practice simplification and inequalities for each section of reasoning and quant. And in RRB exams 10 to 12 questions comes from simplifications, so we have to practice more. And after that in afternoon, who are beginners and who are already preparing, attempt a clerk prelims exam from one of your source, and after attempting it analyze your weak areas where you are lacking and note down your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. So attempt a clerk prelims exam. And after that who are preparing for mains, tomorrow revise attempted quizzes for each section of quant, reasoning and in English, and we are practicing quizzes from Adda 247 and textbook. So revise all that once tomorrow. And after that revise banking awareness, and from 2 days we are reading Indian economy topic from first page to 16th page. So tomorrow revise all that once. And also for computer awareness we are reading introduction of computer from first page to 16th page. So tomorrow revise all that once. And in those PDFs we have multiple choice questions, and those are like revision. So tomorrow revise all that once. And after that give 1 hour for reading current affairs, and from 3 days we are reading April first week current affairs. So tomorrow attempt quizzes of April first week current affairs, and tomorrow complete the April first week current affairs. And after that revise this week current affairs, and daily in morning we are reading daily current affairs. So revise all the daily current affairs tomorrow. And that is tomorrow's revision, and that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And thank you.